Model, 2017 Vauxhall Movano 2.3 CDTI, 130, L3H2 front-wheel drive 3.5 TEU6. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 205,612. MOT, the 25th of November 2024. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS CDTI E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing straight away. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S.